In the starter you have two choices really. You can go from here and take out the intake manifold, but that seems like a really complex job. And I've seen few videos on YouTube. That's how they did it. And so the better way, which is taking it from the bottom, and there are a few issues that I need to explain. Is this sensor. Okay, the way it comes off, that's probably the toughest thing to take off, is this sensor. And the way it comes off is that you push on the top. So you push like this way and it comes off, and that's what it looks like. You can see it properly. Okay, so you push right on top here. And the same thing for the sensor for this one, for the knock sensor, right, which looks like this, which you also have to take off, right? So this is what the knock sensor looks like, right? And this is where it plugs in. Just look on the bottom here. So that's where you plug it in, and it plugs into the car, and you need a 27 millimeter socket to take it out. And this way you can actually take out the starter. There are two bolts holding the starter. This is the one on the front, the one in the back, and you can't see, so it's kind of you have to shoot in the dark until you get to it, but this is what it looks like. I think this is a 14 and this is a 17. Anyway, of course you have to take off the all the stuff that covers the engine, and you get to it from here. And so all there is left right now is the main power. Once I take it off, I can take off the starter and put the new starter. And that's really the most difficult job. It's an annoying job, but it's possible.